I'm Claudia. I work for Mountain Warehouse. I'm the finance manager for the revenue operations and transformations. In Mountain Warehouse, we are in a company that increasingly growing. Therefore, because we have operations in different countries, the volume of transactions obviously is high. Then we have a problem. We didn't like the number of transactions, and then we wanted to find a solution that helped us to run reconciliations more faster, more accurate, and then making sure that we have faster closing, and then we were dealing with the correct set of information and data. What we like about Trintech, the fact that we can put the rules, we can organize the data the way that we wanted. We had a really good feedback from other companies. I used Matcha before in another company, so I knew how it worked. It's really user-friendly. We can basically use the data the way how we wanted to use. Main benefits is less tedious. We used to reconcile in Excel. It took us forever. It was really bad. The team is more engaged. They obviously like the platform. They know that they can have a lot of benefits from the platform. The closing is faster. So we used to close day +5. Now we're closing day +3, day +2. And then we can produce a best set of reports for the whole company in terms of the revenue. I love it. You guys really look after us. Mas is our relationship person, and she's really always asking us what we need, what we can improve. And if we have any issues, she's always giving us the best help. The IT support is fantastic. When we send emails, they reply really quick, and we have a really good responses. So we're really happy with the service.